Now, how can I start? Better to start before starting. I will check voice. Okay, voice is okay or not. After that, I will start. Okay. So before starting, voice is clear. So now. Now today I will discuss how can solve this type of problem. Integration of px square plus q divided by how much, x to power 4 plus a into x square plus b is given into dx. Okay, and where b is greater than 1, greater than 0 basically. Okay, so how can solve this type of problem? Simply, first of all, here x to power 4 and here x square, it means that is an even power. Okay, if here 4 then here 2, then how can solve this type of problem? So divided by x square, numerator and denominator. First one divided by how much, numerator and denominator with respect with x square. Okay, then we got how much, p plus some simply like here into dx divided by how much, here x square plus a plus b upon x square. Okay, now after that we are making x plus 1 by x plus minus 1, this is equal to t. Then differentiation of this one, 1 minus plus 1 by x square dx replace to dt. Then after that you can solve, you can integrate. Okay, let's some problem. Okay, now first problem is how can do 1 here 1 minus x square divided by how much, x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx. Look here, numerator and denominator in both power are even, here x square, here x to power 4. So first of all, look here, divide by how much, x square. So 1 by x square minus 1 into dx divided by x square, then we got x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, after that look here very carefully, if minus is common then 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by how much, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1. Okay, how can solve? Look here, if this one basically, this one is a 1 minus x square, if x plus 1 by x is taken t, the differentiation of this one 1 minus 1 by x square dx, this is equal to dt. So 1 minus 1 upon x square dx replace to dt. Okay, and x plus 1 upon x, this is equal to t. So now squaring both side, then we got how much, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, this will equal to t square. So x square plus 1 upon x square, this will equal to t square minus 2. Now put that value, dt divided by how much, that is t square minus 2 plus 1. So minus dt divided by how much, t square minus 1. Okay, now that one written 1 upon 2 into a into log of t minus 1 upon t plus 1 plus c, and after that t replaced to how much, log of simply x plus 1 upon x. So you can say that log of modulus of x plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. After that, this one written minus 1 by 2 into log of modulus of how much, x square minus x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 plus how much, C is the right answer. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay. First of all, make it. Very simple. First of all, divided by how much, x square, numerator and denominator, then written like that one. Okay. Basically this one is a differentiation of, if this one differentiate, then we got like that one. It means t is basically x plus 1 upon x, this will equal to t. Then dt is how much, 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. So this one replaced to t and this one replaced to t. So squaring both sides, then we got x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, this will equal to t square. So x square plus 1 upon x square, this will equal to t square minus 2. Okay. Now this value put here. Then we got how much, t square minus 1. Okay. Then after that apply formula, how much, 1 upon 2a into log of t minus a upon t plus a plus c, t basically x plus 1 upon x, then we got answer. Okay. Now after that I will take another problem also. First of all, right now, then I will take another problem. Next problem is problem number 2, integration of simply x square plus 1 upon x to power 4 plus 1 into dx. Okay. How can do? First of all, everyone can try. Okay. This question everyone can try. X square plus 1, integration of x square plus 1 upon x to power 4 plus 1 into dx. How can solve? Simply numerator x to power 4, numerator is x square and denominator highest power x to power 4. So we can do we can divide it by how much, x square, numerator and denominator. Then we got how much, 1 plus 1 upon x square dx, and that one x square plus how much, 1 by x square. Okay. Now look, which one, especially that part, we have taken which one, x plus 1 by x is t or x minus 1 by x, this is equal to t, decided by that one. If you see very carefully, if you taken x minus 1 upon x, this is equal to t. If this one differentiate, then we got 1 plus 1 upon x square dx, this is equal to dt. Okay. Look here, that part, if you integrate this one, then we got how much, x minus 1 upon x. Okay. Especially this one. So or you can say that difference, if this one is different, then we got like that one. Okay. If you feel confusion, which part is taken t, basically x minus 1 upon x or x plus 1 upon x. So if this one integrate, then we got how much, basically 1 plus 1 upon x square dx, integrate, then we got how much, x plus x minus 1 upon x. Clear? So it means this one is taken t and differentiation of this one because here, so that's why we have taken, let x plus x minus 1 upon x stay, then differentiation of this one we got like that one. I hope so clear. Why we have taken x this equal t this equal to x minus 1 upon x is t. Clear? It is decided by that part. If this simply this one integrate, if you integrate, then we got x minus 1 upon x, it means this one, this part is taken t. Okay. After that look here, squaring both sides, then we got x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2, this will equal to how much, t square. So x square plus 1 upon x square, this will equal to t square plus 2. Okay. So dt divided by how much? t square plus 2. Integration of dt divided by t square plus 2. Look here very carefully. How can integrate? Simply this one written 1 upon root 2 into tan inverse t upon root 2 plus c. Okay, basically this one written dt divided by okay, so 1 upon root 2 tan inverse t, basically x minus 1 upon x upon root 2 plus c. Okay, make it. I hope so clear. Simply I will explain again. Here x square plus 1 upon x to power 4 plus 1 dx is given. Then how can solve? If divided by x square numerator and denominator, then we got how much? 1 plus 1 upon x square dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 upon x square. After that we have taken x minus 1 upon x is t. Then differentiation of this one is how much? 1 plus 1 upon x square dx. This be equal to replace dt. After that value put here. Okay, this one replaced to dt, and he is squaring both sides. Then we got x square plus 1 upon x square. This be equal to how much? T square plus 2. So that value put here, and after that integrate. Then we got how much? Like that one. And after finally t replaced to x plus x minus 1 upon x. Then we got like that one. This is the final answer. Now I will take another problem. Question number 3. Integration of x square divided by x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, how can solve this type of problem? Simply, if you divide by x square numerator and denominator, then you got how much? Dx divided by x square plus 1 upon x square. But it's a problem is that here if you this question you can do corresponding to that, like that one, then you can create problems. Why? Because of which part is taken t and which part is dt. Dt is not available. Dt means 1 plus 1 upon x square or 1 minus 1 upon x square into dx available, but here simply 1. So that's why this one written simply 1 by 2 into, if divided by 1 by 2, then written x square plus 1 adding and minus 1 plus 1 adding and 1 minus 1 subtracting, divided by x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, that one is the same value of that one. Simply look here, 1 cancel, 2x square divided by 2, so simply x square. What is the advantage of that one? Look here, 1 by 2 into integration of x square plus 1 upon x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx plus 1 by 2 x square minus 1 upon x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, now look here, 1 by 2 1 plus 1 upon x square into dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 plus 1 upon x square. Okay, now that one written 1 by 2 into integration of 1 minus 1 upon x square dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay. Now how can solve? This one taken I1 and this one taken I2. Okay, this is equation number 1. You can solve individually this one and this one. After that, these two value put here. Okay, so how can do? Look here very carefully. If anyone face any doubt at any step, these 3 steps, then comment it. I will explain. Okay. Now, so we have focus on first part. 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 upon x square dx divided by how much? Here x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Let here, let x minus 1 upon x, this be equal to t. So 1 minus 1 upon x square dx, this be equal to how much? Dt. So that one written 1 upon 2, that is dt divided by this one written x square plus 1 upon x square, this be equal to t square plus 2. If we squaring both sides, then we got like that one. So that one replaced to t square plus 2 plus 1, that is 3, and this 3 is written as root 3 to the whole square. After that, look here, that one written 1 by 2 into a is root 3 into tan inverse t divided by how much? Root 3 plus c1, or you can say that 1 upon 2 root 3 into tan inverse t, basically x minus 1 upon x upon root 3 plus c1. I hope so clear. This is I1. This is I1. Okay. This is I1. I hope so clear. After that, we have focus on which part? I2. Okay. In I2, I2 is written as how much? 1 by 2 integration of 1 minus 1 upon x square dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. How can solve? Simply let here, if x plus 1 upon x is t, then differentiation of that one, 1 minus 1 upon x square dx replaced to dt. So you can say that x plus 1 upon x is t. So you can say, what about that value? Basically 1 minus 1 upon x square dx replaced to dt. Squaring both sides, then we got how much? X square plus 1 upon x square, this be equal to t square minus 2. Squaring both sides, then we got how much? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, this be equal to t square. So you can say that x square plus 1 upon x square, this be equal to t square minus how much? These two going on this side, then we got t square minus 2. Okay. So that part is replaced to t square minus 2. Then we got how much? Look here very carefully. 1 by 2 into integration of dt divided by t square minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Or you can say that 2 into a, so 2 into 1 by 2 into a, so 1 a is 1 into log of modulus of t minus 1 upon t plus 1 plus c2. Then we got how much? 1 by 4 into log of t. T basically how much? X plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c, c2. Okay. Now these two value, that is I2. I1, I2 put in equation number 1. So finally you can say that I is how much? Here 1 upon 2 root 3 into tan inverse. After simplification we got how much? X square minus 1 upon root 3 into x. Okay, plus 1 by 4 into log of here x square minus x plus 1 divided by how much? X square plus x plus 1 plus c, c1 plus c2, this is equal to how much? C. Okay, is the right answer. Make it. Okay, this is the final answer. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Look here. Question is integration of x square upon x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. So how can solve this type of problem? Simply this one, x square is written as 1 by, if multiply 1 by 2 in divide by, if multiply 2 and divide by 2, then we got 1 by 2 into 2x square, and 2x square is written as x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1 into dx, one adding and one subtracting. Then we got like that one. After that, x square plus 1 divided by denominator plus x square minus 1 upon denominator into dx, written like that one. Now look here very carefully. If after that divide by x square in numerator and denominator, then we got how much? Like that one. This one take I1 and this one take I2. Okay, I1 is basically written like that one. Okay, now if look here, this one is a differentiation of, basically that part is a differentiation of x minus 1 upon x. So that's why we have taken x minus 1 upon x, this is equal to t. So if differentiate, then we, if this one differentiate, then we got how much? 1 plus 1 upon x, silly mistake here, 1 plus 1 upon x square dx, this is equal to replace dt. Okay, after that this one replaced to dt and this one replaced to, in this one is squaring both sides, then we got how much? X square plus 1 upon x square, this is equal to t square plus 2. Okay, then put here, then we got t square plus 1 upon root 3 to 2 t square plus 3 basically written root 3 to the whole square. Then what is the advantage? We got 1 upon a into tan inverse t upon a basically root 3. Then x replaced, t replaced to how much? X minus 1 upon x. Then we got this one. After that, second part, this one, look here very carefully. Let here x plus 1 upon x, this is equal to how much? T. Okay, so differentiation of this one, how much? 1 minus 1 upon x square dx replaced to dt. Okay. Okay, and here x square plus 1 upon x square is written as t square minus 2. So that one replace t square minus 2 plus 1, that is t square minus 1. After that, apply formula 1 upon log of integration of dx divided by x square minus a square is written as 1 upon 2a into log of x minus a upon x plus a. So x is basically t, so t minus a upon t plus a is basically 1. After that, t replace to x plus 1 upon x, okay, minus 1 upon, clear, and here t x plus 1 upon x plus 1. After solving we got like that one. Okay, so for I1 and I2 put here in equation number 1, then finally find the answer like that one. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. I hope so clear. Okay, thank you very much. Now I will take another problem also. Now I will take another problem if this problem is okay. Question number 4. Integration of dx divided by how much? X to power 4 plus 1. How can solve? Very simple question. How can solve this type of problem? Look here. First of all, dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 upon x square. Basically, we are divide x square in denominator and numerator. Then we got how much? Numerator is simply 1 dx divided by, and denominator is x to power 4 plus 1. So if x square divide and numerator and denominator, then we got how much? 1 upon x square dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, now which one taken t and dt? Not available easily. So look here, 1 by 2 written, integration of 1 divided by x square plus 1 upon x square, okay, minus 1 minus into dx. Clear? Very simple. One adding, one subtracting, and 1 upon x square is basically here multiply. After solving we got simple 1 upon x square dx divided by x square plus 1 upon x square. What is the advantage of that one? This one written 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by x square dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 upon x square. Now after that, minus 1 upon 2 integration of 1 minus here x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, I hope so clear. Now next target is how can do? Very simple. In first part, which part is taken? X plus 1 upon x. If face problem, then this one take I1 and this one take I2, and this one is equation number 1. Look here, I1 is how much? Basically 1 by 2 1 plus 1 upon x square into dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 upon x square. Look here, numerator part 1 plus 1 upon x square dx means which part is taken? T. if x minus 1 upon x is taken t, then that one differentiation of that one. Look here, so you can say that let x minus 1 upon x is t, so 1 minus 1 upon x square dx, this will be equal to dt. Okay, so you can say that 1 by 2 into here dt divided by how much, that is if squaring both sides, then we got x square plus 1 upon x square, this will be equal to t square plus 2. So this one written t square plus 2. So how much, 1 upon 2 root 2, okay, into tan inverse t upon root 2 plus c1, or you can say that 1 upon 2 root 2 into tan inverse t, basically how much, x minus 1 upon x. Okay, silly mistake here. If this one differentiate, then we got like that one. Sometimes silly mistake available. Okay, human error. Okay, sometimes student focus on why sir, but I hope so clear. Now after that we have focus on I2. I2 is how much? I2 is basically that part, 1 by 2 into integration of 1 minus 1 upon x square into dx divided by how much, x square plus 1 upon x square. Look here, let x plus 1 upon x, this will be equal to t. So if differentiate this one, we got how much, 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon x square dx, this will be equal to how much, dt. Squaring both sides, then x square plus 1 upon x square, this will be equal to t square minus 2. Okay, if squaring both sides, then we got how much, x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, this will be equal to t square. So we got x square plus 1 upon x square, this will be equal to t square minus 2. Look here very carefully. One upon 2 into integration of dt divided by how much, this one written t square minus 2. Okay, or you can say that 1 upon 2 into dt divided by under root t square minus root 2 to the whole square. After that this one written 1 by 2 into root 2 into log of, apply formula, integration of dx divided by x square minus a square is written as 1 upon 2a. So that's why 2 into a is root 2 into log of t minus a divided by t plus a. So t minus a, basically you can say that t minus root 2 divided by t plus root 2 plus c2. So finally we got how much, 4 root 2 into log of t, basically how much, x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus root 2 divided by x plus 1 upon x plus root 2 plus c2. That is equation number, that is I2. Now I1, I2 put in equation number 1, then we got I is simply, you can say that I1 is 1 upon 2 root 2. After simplification we got tan inverse x square minus 1 upon root 2 into x, okay, plus what about that value, 1 upon 4 root 2, here C2, into log of x square minus root 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus root 2 into x plus 1. C1 plus C2 is how much? C is the final answer. Okay. Here minus, so that one written minus, silly mistake. This is the final answer. If anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Anyone face any doubt? Okay. Now I will explain again. Wait. Simply here dx divided by x to power 4 plus 1 is given. Then how can solve? Simply first of all, look here. If I have already say if x square dx divided by x to power 4 plus something x square plus something is given, then always divide by x square. First of all check. Then we got how much? X 1 upon x square dx divided by x square plus 1 upon x square. Now his problem is that which part is taken t and which part is taken dt. Okay, because I have say x plus minus this equal to t. So if this one is taken t, then we got how much? 1 plus minus 1 upon x square dx dt. But in numerator this part is not available. So first of all, how can make that part? Simply if multiply by 2 and divide by 2, then we got how much? 1 by 2 into here 2 upon x square. 2 upon x square is written as 1 plus 1 upon x square minus 1 minus 1 upon x square. Basically 1 adding, 1 subtracting. Then we got like that one. Okay, these two, this part, this one divided two part, that part and that part. After that we have focus on that part. After next one we have focus on that part. So in this part is taken simply here taken which part? Basically x minus 1 upon x is t or x plus 1 upon x this equal to t. This one decided by numerator. Look here, 1 plus 1 upon x square dx is given. It means this one is an integration. If this one is integrate, then we got how much? X minus 1 upon x. If this one integrate, then we got how much? X minus 1 upon x. So here taken x minus 1 upon x is t. So differentiation of this one like that one. After that, if you squaring both sides, then we got how much? X square plus 1 upon x square, this equal to t square minus 2. This equal to, sorry, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2, this equal to t square. So x square plus 1 upon x square is written as t square minus, if this 2 minus 2 is going on right hand side, then written t square plus 2. Okay, so this one replaced to t square plus 2. So this one replaced to t square plus 2. And after that, very simple, I know that here 1 upon 2 into basically tan inverse, basically 1 upon a is root 2 into tan inverse t upon root 2 plus new constant c1. After that t replaced to x minus 1 upon x, then we got like that one. Next part, this part we have focus on that part. How can do? Simply if this one integrate, then we got how much? X plus 1 upon x is t. Okay, simply taken t is how much? X plus 1 upon x is t or x minus 1 upon x is t. Simply decided by numerator. Okay, that part basically. If this one integrate, then we got how much? X plus 1 upon x. So t is how much? X plus 1 upon x. If this one differentiate, then we got like that one. Okay, so after that squaring both sides, then we got x square plus 1 upon x square, this equal to t square minus 2. Okay, and this one replaced to that one, and here apply formula. here 1.28 dt divided by t square minus root 2 to the whole square. I know that integration of dx divided by x square minus a square is written as 1 upon 2a into log of x minus a upon x plus a. So that formula use here. Here 2 is given, 2 into a is root 2 into log of x minus a upon x plus a, x basically here t. So t minus root 2 divided by t plus root 2 plus c2. After that, here I2, I1, these two value put here, then we got final answer like that one. Okay, I hope so clear. Make it.